Hello students, today we will discuss about combination of registers. First we will discuss about series combination, then about parallel combination. Two or more registers are said to be in series if same current flows through each of them when some potential difference applied across the series combination. Come to the diagram. Here three registers R1, R2 and R3 are connected in series. A battery of EMF E is connected across the series combination. So same current I flows through each of the registers. Here it is possible to replace the series combination by a single register, so that when it is connected to same potential difference, same current pass through it as the series combination. So here R1, R2 and R3 are three registers connected in series, and RS is equivalent resistance of three registers R1, R2 and R3 connected in series. Let V1, V2 and V3 are the potential drop across registers R1, R2 and R3 respectively. So according to Ohm's law, V1 equals to I R1, V2 equals to I R2, V3 equals to I R3, and E equals to I RS equals to I RS. But E equals to how much? E equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. So E equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. That is IRS equals to I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. So this can be written as IRS equals to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3. So I will be cancelled. So RS equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the equivalent resistance in series combination of resistors. If more number of resistors will be there, then we can write RS equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5 up to Rn, if n is the number of resistors. Next is parallel combination. Two or more resistors are said to be in parallel if potential difference across each resistor is same as the applied potential difference. Here three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel, and a battery of EMF is connected across the parallel combination of these three resistors. Here current I will be divided into I1, I2 and I3. This can be replaced by a single resistor RS, so that same current I flows through it when it is connected to same potential difference E. So I1 equals to E upon R1, I2 equals to E upon R2, I3 equals to E upon R3, I equals to for this circuit, which is known as equivalent circuit, I equals to E upon Rp. So I equals to how much? I1 plus I2 plus I3. So E upon Rp equals to E upon R1 plus E upon R2 plus E upon R3. So 1 upon Rp equals to E will be cancelled. 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is the equivalent resistance in parallel combination. If more number of resistors will be there, then 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4 up to plus 1 upon Rn. For example, find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Here 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 8 ohm and 2 ohm are connected like this. First we will draw the equivalent circuit of this combination. Here 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel because here current is dividing. Again 8 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in parallel, and this combination is connected in series like this. Then the total combination is connected in parallel with 6 ohm and 3 ohm. This is the equivalent circuit of the given circuit. First, we will calculate the equivalent resistance of parallel combination of 4 ohm and 6 ohm. If it is R dash, then 1 upon R dash equals to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. So R dash equals to 24 upon 10. Next, we will calculate the equivalent resistance of parallel combination of 8 ohm and 2 ohm. If it will be R double dash, then 1 upon R double dash equals to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 equals to 5 upon 8. So R double dash equals to 8 upon 5 equals to 16 upon 10 ohm. Now R dash and R double dash, R is in series. So let it R triple dash equals to R dash plus R double dash equals to 24 upon 10 plus 16 upon 10 equals to 40 upon 10 equals to 4 ohm. Now this 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel. Then let equivalent resistance of 6 ohm and 4 ohm and this 3 ohm is Rp. So 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3 equals to 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 3 plus 2 5, 9 upon 12 implies that Rp equals to 12 upon 9 equals to 4 upon 3 ohm. So equivalent resistance of the given circuit Rp equals to 4 upon 3 ohm. Next example, calculate the effective resistance between A and B. Here 3 ohm, 12 ohm, 36 ohm, 24 ohm and 6 ohm. Let us draw the equivalent circuit of the given circuit. Here 3 ohm, 12 ohm here, 6 ohm, 24 ohm and this is 36 ohm. One thing remember, if the ratio between these two resistors, that is 3 upon 12, and ratio between these two resistors will be same, Here it is same, 3 upon 12, 1 upon 4, 6 upon 24, 1 upon 4. If the ratio of these two resistors and ratio of resistance of these two resistors is same, then this resistor will be ineffective. That is, current flow through this resistor will be 0. So here again I am saying 3 upon 12 equals to 1 upon 4, 6 upon 24, 1 upon 4. So the ratio is same. So 36 ohm is ineffective. That is, current flowing through 36 ohm resistor is 0. This is known as balanced condition of Wheatstone bridge. We will discuss in next chapter. So here 3 ohm and 12 ohm are in series, 6 ohm and 24 ohm are in series, and the combination of this series combination and this series combination is in parallel. So 15 ohm and 30 ohm are in parallel. First we will write equivalent resistance of series combination of 3 ohm and 12 ohm, that is 15 ohm. Equivalent resistance of series combination of 6 ohm and 24 ohm, that is 30 ohm. Next, parallel combination of 15 ohm and 30 ohm, that is 1 upon Rp equals to 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 30. Three upon 30. So Rp equals to 30 upon 3 equals to 10 ohm. Thank you.